If you're looking for ways to measure your agile transformation beyond the usual buzzwords, this video will walk you through 5 metrics you could be using, but probably aren't. And trust me, they're more useful than whatever the latest case study say Spotify did in 2017. Now here's the thing, most of us or most of you aren't working inside one of those famous companies. You know the ones, the case study darlings that show up in every book, keynote or bit of LinkedIn content. There's a reason we keep hearing about them, and those reasons are they can afford top-tier talent. They work in industries with fewer constraints. They've got a decent story to tell, and someone has decided to tell it. And let's be honest, they've got really good marketers. But instead of copying what worked for them in a completely different context, you'd be better off focusing on these 5 metrics. So metric number 1, customer retention or churn rate. First up, customer retention or churn. Ask yourself, are people sticking with our product? If they're leaving, why? Is it poor UX, misalignment with their needs, or are you solving a problem they don't actually have? You can't be agile if you're only fast at delivering stuff no one wants to come back to. Metric number 2, lead time. Lead time is the time between when work is requested or added to the product backlog and when it's actually delivered. This shows you how quickly your organization can respond to change. A bloated lead time usually means hidden decision-making bottlenecks, hidden queues, or a backlog that's more museum than marketplace. Metric number 3 then, cycle time. Cycle time is how long it takes from when work actually starts to when it's done. This one is all about flow. If your team takes 2 weeks to start something and 6 weeks to finish it, you've probably got a problem. So have a look at tracking this and you'll spot delays, blockers, and any inefficiencies much faster than some burn down chart. Metric number 4, tech debt ratio. Tech debt ratio is how much time is spent fixing things versus building new stuff. If your team is drowning in bugs or spending every sprint rewriting legacy code, it's a sign you're sprinting on shaky foundations. A healthy ratio means your teams can actually innovate, not just survive. We want to thrive, not just survive. And finally, metric number 5, discovery cadence. This is asking yourself, how often are you engaging with real users? Not just making assumptions, not taking on board secondhand reports. I'm talking about actual conversations, prototypes, and tests. If discovery is a once a quarter event, you're just guessing more efficiently. We need to make it a habit. So there you have it, 5 powerful, practical metrics that give you real insight into how agile your organization actually is, not just how agile it says it is. So here's a quick recap of the 5 metrics. Customer retention, lead time, cycle time, tech debt ratio, and discovery cadence. If you start tracking those, you'll make more progress than by reading another fluff-filled case study about a company that is nothing like yours. And if you found that helpful, you'll find another video on the screen that YouTube thinks you like, and they normally know best. See you next time.